Money is worth no more than brains. It is often worth much less. Brains are a form of capital which cannot be permanently depreciated through depressions, nor can this capital be stolen or spent, according po kay Napoleon Hill. Wala kang puhunan, use your brains as capital. Your skills can make puhunan kahit saan ka. Di yan mawawala o di yan mauubos o mananakaw ng iba. Success cannot be achieved overnight. It's the result of the small choices you make each day. Kung gusto mong mabago ang finances mo, start by educating yourself and acquiring more skills daily. Tignan mo, meron kang maidagdag sa inyong kaalaman na bago. You are building the future you want. How much do you prioritize learning in your life? Sa mundong ginagalawan natin at lahat nagbabago, the ability to keep growing and adapting is more important than ever. Yet, many people still view education as something that happens only during school years or formal training. Karamihan kasi pagtapos na ng high school or college, stop na rin ang pag-aaral. Hindi nyo ba alam na those who commit to educating themselves every single day after their long-term traditional schooling ends ay sila pa yung nagiging successful? So, committing to daily learning is not just a habit but a mindset shift na pwedeng makapagbago sa'yo ng inyong direction in life. Whether reading a book, panonood ng mga motivational videos on social media, or attending seminars na nakakapag-challenge sa'yo and turn it into daily habit. Number 1 na kailangan natin deposituhan is our education. If you stop learning, you start failing. Education is dapat continuous yan. Kahit after mong mag-aral sa mga paaralan, high school, college, continuous pa rin yan. Sabi nga nila, ang hindi tumatanda na parts of our body is our brain. Education is not about just school. It's not about sitting in the classroom or yung nagme-memorize ka ng mga formula or dapat kailangang magaling ka sa math. Yan po ay isang part ng ating education. But the education that we really need is after school. The education that changes our life. Education that makes us successful. If you don't stay sharp, if you don't keep up, if you don't keep educating yourself, babangon ka na lang one day and realize that the world has passed you by. Nadagdagan pa yung age mo. And syempre, pag tumanda ka, humihina rin ang inyong katawan pag di mo rin inaalagaan. So, deposit in your education. Buy books, join seminars, or marami nang libre ngayon sa YouTube or social media. Kailangan mo lang gawin is use it wisely. Number 2, deposit in your time. Wala akong time busy ako sa work. Let's be honest, you have time, guys. Sa jowa mo nga may oras ka, sa sarili mo pa kaya? Char. So everyone has time. Pero ang tanong, how are you using your time? Are you spending hours sa pag-scroll ng inyong social media or television? Kung babalikan lang natin ang oras mo, di ba marami tayong wasted time? Wasting time on things don't add value to your life. Hindi mo kailangan ng mahabang oras to educate yourself. You just need to be intentional. Kahit pa konti-konti ang oras na nilalaan mo dito. And when you add that up, konting learnings in a month or in a year, it became worth it. Na hindi mo na namamalayan na you are growing pa konti-konti. So start depositing in your time, start investing in your growth. While waiting during traffic, pwede ka pa rin maging productive through listening to audiobooks na pwedeng makapagbigay sa'yo ng aral. So, don't waste your time. Yung tipong lahat ng oras ay nagiging productive instead of being destructive kasi yung oras mo napupunta sa marites o kamarites mo. So, study the things that matters to your future. Give importance to your time cause life is short. Make it meaningful. Number 3, deposit in your dreams. Oo, nakakagastos. But if you take it seriously, you'll achieve it and you'll achieve the success that you want. Your future self is watching, and the choices you make today determine who that person will be. Ikaw ba yung taong mahirap noon hanggang ngayon? Or yung taong mahirap noon pero may asenso na ngayon? The choice is yours. Will you allow to stay the same or not? Ang pagbabago po ay nagsisimula po sa inyo. So make a wise choice and deposit more in your dreams. The results you get in life are just the outcome of what you have been depositing into yourself every day. Pag ang dinideposit mo sa buhay mo ay puro basura, puro marites, basura din po ang resulta. Nagiging marites ka na rin po. If you put in wisdom, knowledge, discipline, and growth, you get success, confidence, and opportunities. Mas lumalawak pa po ang oportunidad na nabibigay ng Lord sa inyo. Sa bangko nga, pag palagi kang nagdi-deposit, di ba, lumalaki yung deposits mo. Pero pag palagi kang nagwi-withdraw at lagi mong ginagastos, ano nang nangyayari sa inyong deposit, di ba, lumiliit, nagiging empty na po yung inyong deposit sa bangko. Same also in our education and time and building our dreams. If we don't deposit on it, syempre namamatay, nawawala, nagiging empty can na lang po tayo. So deposit here every day and start it now. So yan lang po ang ating video. Once again, this is Ibinget Grace saying sharing is care. Bye! See you!